The Lamborghini Aventador appeared like a comet in the automotive sky, blazing with fiery passion and fierce efficiency. With its menacing presence, it transformed the genre of supercars. At the heart of its architecture lay a magnificent V12 engine, whose roar echoed like a wild beast unleashed upon the asphalt. This glorious machine, launched in 2011, not only signified innovation but also a revival of Lamborghini's legendary status amid rising automotive competition. In its debut, the Aventador's astonishing figures set the stage for its immediate acclaim. A 5-liter V12 generating 700 horsepower, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 mph in merely 2.9 seconds. Its top speed, reaching an exhilarating 217 km/h, could nearly leave the ground in awe. But the magic of the Aventador extended beyond sheer speed. It was a harmonious convergence of cutting-edge technology and brave Italian design, encapsulated within a lightweight carbon fiber frame that turned heads just as quickly as the engine could push it forward. Yet the journey of the Aventador was laden with both glory and strife. Lamborghini's ambition birthed a slew of variants like the SV and SVJ, each enhancing performance and sculpting an aura of exclusivity. However, lurking beneath the surface were critiques, namely the challenging single-clutch transmission that stuttered between gears and the daunting dimensions that made it feel like navigating a titan in crowded streets. Maintenance costs burgeoned like wild vines, turning the dream of ownership into a luxurious burden. As times changed and automotive paradigms shifted towards hybrids and electrification, the Aventador's legacy stood as a juxtaposition of exuberance and impracticality. Ultimately, the Aventador's sunset was marked with the unveiling of the Ultime Edition, a farewell performance packed with 780 horsepower. As the curtain fell on over 11,000 units, its tail embodied the iconic embodiment of Italian performance and fervor. The Aventador was not merely a vehicle but a celebration of unadulterated power, one that both thrilled us and reminded us of the evolution of the automotive industry. The Aventador was both a peak and a symbol of an era, leaving enthusiasts to ponder its impact as we veer into a future of hybrid prowess. The Lamborghini Aventador stands as a monumental statement in the world of supercars, leaving an indelible mark that echoes through the auto industry. With its daring design and roaring V12 engine, the Aventador transcended mere transportation, becoming a symbol of unadulterated power and thrilling performance. The unmistakable growl of its engine ignites a passion in enthusiasts, reminding us what it feels like to experience raw automotive beauty. As the curtain falls on the Aventador, we find ourselves reflecting on its legacy amidst a sea of emerging hybrid supercars and whisper-quiet electric vehicles. This isn't just another car. It's a celebration of an era that prioritized hot racing dynamics over fuel efficiency. Imagine the rush of adrenaline as you press the accelerator with a symphony of sound filling the air, each rev a reminder of the visceral connection between driver and machine that only the Aventador could provide. Critics might argue that as the automotive landscape evolves, the Aventador represents an outdated methodology, a dinosaur overshadowed by the prowess of modern engineering. However, the allure of the Aventador lies not just in its performance stats, but in the memories and emotions it evokes. It's this captivating blend of audacity and nostalgia that sparks debate among car enthusiasts. Is it Lamborghini's finest creation or an overrated relic? The conversation is alive and well among automotive aficionados, as many acknowledge the Aventador's contributions to the Lamborghini legacy. The sharp lines and aggressive stance convey a sense of drama perfectly paired with the growl of its engine, captivating onlookers regardless of their automotive preferences. As we bid farewell to the Aventador, we must cherish the unforgettable moments and exhilarating drives it gifted us. This powerful icon paved the way for future innovations while holding firm to the roaring spirit that Lamborghini is known for. The memories forged behind its wheel will forever resonate in the hearts of those who dared to experience it. In a world rapidly shifting towards electrification, there's a reminder that some experiences simply cannot be replicated. The Aventador will be remembered not just as a car, but as a visceral experience that enthralled enthusiasts across the globe. With its departure, we are left not just with a lingering sound echoing in our minds, but with a legacy that will continue to inspire generations of car lovers. What do you think about the Aventador? Was it Lamborghini's best car or an overrated dinosaur? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic stories about cars, adventures, and real-time events. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.